Alright, so today we're going to look at a dump truck. I'm going to walk you through what I look for when I'm looking for a new vehicle. It applies to pretty much any vehicle. Now I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking, dude, you just did a video about not spending money. Now you're going to look at a dump truck. Well, I've been looking for a dump truck for about 13 years now. I mean, I'm looking for a good price, no rust. This one's an automatic. It's international actually, under CDL. This one has air brakes. This has the DT466, the inline. The only catch I already know off the bat, it has 323,000 miles on it. I don't think I want something with that many miles, but other than that, the price, it's like $12,300 is what they're asking. You know, I'll share my tips, you share your tips. We'll have a lot of tips by the end of the video, and we'll know what we're doing as far as shopping for a vehicle. It's about an hour away. I'm not too happy about that. It's 49 minutes. It says maybe we'll get there in a little bit less, but oh, one more thing. I almost forgot to tell you. I got new shoes. Yeah, that's right, new shoes. Let me show you them. They're sweet. Maybe you might like them. I don't know. Reeboks. Oh yeah. I think they're sweet. Hexalite. See, when I was a kid, this was the coolest shoe you could get. I mean, the pump, these aren't pumps, but pump, Hexalite, or Nike Airs, you know. That was the coolest thing back then. Alright, first things first. First thing I like to do is go right up to the vehicle, find the exhaust, stick your hand on it. Now what I'm doing is seeing if they started this thing up before I got here. If it's warm, good chance this thing has issues starting. And sales guy came out here, fired it up and let it run. Bumper is nice and straight. Windshield, no cracks. Tires, yeah, front's pretty bald. Pretty bald too, but what I notice is you got a Michelin and another Michelin. They match. That's good. Tire wear looks pretty good, pretty even. This one too, yeah, about the same. The rust, it doesn't look too bad. This dump body looks pretty good. It's got some oil coming off the PTO right here, dripping on this exhaust. We got some Michelins. These rears look good. They match. Got Goodyear on this side. Or is this side Goodyear too? Are they both Goodyear? And we got Michelins and Goodyears. Got some kind of tornado drill alarm going off in the background. Lovely. Pretty good. It's got a coal chute door back here. The bed's not all wavy. Doesn't look like they've dropped anything real crazy in it. He's fitting on this side. I see one right here. Might have broke off. No big deal. Who knows how long it went without getting grease though. So I got a little rust on the door. GVW 25.5 under CDL. So we got a 3-seater. This little button I think's for the air. And they have stinks a little in here, not gonna lie. But hey, dump truck, you know, that's not uncommon. We're definitely going to want to see if this heat works. PTO, automatic. Looks pretty simple in here. It's got a trailer brake controller. That's good. That's how my trailer is set up. Engine start button. Missing. Hood opens nice and easy. So we got the DT466 here. Got a little turbo action here. That's cool. It doesn't look wet. Now this is where you guys can chime in. I know we got some diesel experts out there on YouTube. You tell me what to look for. I mean, I know the basics, like blow-by, stuff like that, but I'm always looking for more stuff to look for. Coolant, some in there. It's good. It looks pretty brown in there. Zero start. This looks a little bit wet. This looks a little bit wet. Sure, it's common now. Alright, here comes the guy. The keys. That's it. I take video. Alright, so this thing fired up like really nice. Not gonna lie. It ain't smoking like a chimney, you know? Not like that F650 I drove a little while back. I don't know if you remember that. Alright, so it looks like my air is up to like 125. That looks like where that other needle. There's like two needles there and they match, so I think that means we're good. Alright, brakes feel good. Let's try to give it a little gas. Sounds really good. Alright. Let's give it a try. Went right into gear. Okay, maybe that's neutral. Oh. That might help. Alright, so we're headed down the road. Steering wheel. You gotta keep it pretty crooked. Guy said, alright, we'll see you back in a few minutes. No. You gotta drive something for a good half hour. At least. Just to know if it's even roadworthy. Speedometer doesn't work. They said this was a trade-in. Now why do you suppose the guy traded it in? It's not rusted out. Probably had something wrong with it. I wouldn't trade something in if it worked perfect. Alright, we're going to try a full pedal to the floor takeoff. See what happens. Here we go. I mean, it's slow. Pretty slow, but I mean, I guess that's to be expected. I don't see a cloud of smoke behind me. Alright, so I pulled over. Let's try reverse. Back to drive. Stuntman, let's see what it's got. Back to reverse. Back to drive. Now let me be clear on something. I'm not doing neutral drops here. I'm just testing out to make sure reverse is strong is all. Back to drive. It says worn engine. Does that mean it's worn out? Let's take a look. Sounds good. It don't sound bad. So the fuel pump looks wet. I don't know how concerned I should be about that. Let's take a whiff of this. Trans dipstick smells pretty decent. Smells like I would expect it to smell. Doesn't smell burnt. Doesn't smell doesn't smell weird. It smells normal. Now the engine oil. If this thing's puffing away and gets me covered in oil, I'm going to be really upset. That's not too bad. I don't know if you can even see it. It's not bad. Alright guys, so you guys gotta let me know what you guys think about this. You guys gotta give me some input. .466 auto under CDL. This is a hot truck. This is the one everybody wants because anybody can jump in it with a driver's license and put 10 ton in it. This is a hot truck. Alright, so we got wipers. We got washer fluid on the driver's side. And, okay, so here is the lights. It had tape on it. It's a little bizarre. Let's try some signal action. Left signal. Right signal. Lights. Alright, every single bulb on this truck is lit. Now we gotta raise up the bed. Oh, little wobble. Okay. Alright, so overall, this thing ain't bad. It was kind of dogging it in overdrive on the hill. I mean, something tells me that's kind of normal. Maybe you guys let me know. I mean, this thing ain't a race truck by any means, but it doesn't fall flat on its face either. So we're asking $12,000. It's got 323,000 miles. Doesn't seem to have blow by. It's not rotted out. Brakes are solid. Tires are good. Steering wheel crooked going down the road, but it doesn't pull. I mean, I've test driven a few, and there's really not a lot of features I like. But the bed won't go up and down. So I'm gonna have to talk to them about the bed not going up and down. That's definitely I gotta figure that out. They gotta pay for that. If they want me to pay full price for this truck, I want the speedometer fixed, and I want the bed fixed, and I want full tanks of fuel and the fuel gauge fixed. Those are the issues. But all in all, it doesn't seem too bad. So you guys want to know what the deal is, what you guys think. I like it. I like it a lot. Will it? Let me know. Stay tuned.